I'm Holly Teray, and I'm part of the enterprise sales team here at Notion. I think what makes me most excited about coming into work every day is the potential. We're a collaboration tool for everyone. It doesn't have to be a specific use case. You don't have to have a certain persona. You don't need to be technical. The unlimited options and flexibility of the platform is one of the things that makes sales super fun. I love working through proof of concepts. I want to hear about all of your requirements, all the different use cases and workflows that you're trying to build. I learn a ton from customers every time. We're very fortunate to have a lot of inbound requests because people are using Notion at home and they want to be able to use it at work. That's where I get to interact with people. Let's help build that. Let's help get the feedback. Let's help channel these different use cases and requirements into our product team. We're part of building that feedback loop. I don't think I could be successful anywhere in sales. I think it really has to be a product that I love a lot. In Notion, I can be that subject matter expert. I can dive in and I can be part of those really consultative calls. We really are building the foundation for the team moving forward and how we scale. That's really exciting.